What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick little video for you today. So the dirt bike's always kind of had a little bit of a useless rear brake, but I went out riding the other day and really started to notice that it was like, it just wasn't in the right spot. I thought maybe that the arm was bent or something, which it may still be, but on further inspection the bolt that was in here had backed out and gotten bent. And so the whole assembly was just kind of wobbly and wasn't actually snugged down. So today's project is I ordered a new bolt and we're going to install that real quick and see if we can firm up the action on this brake lever. So let me get you situated here. So the old bolt looks like this. As you can kind of see, it's nice and bent and torn up. So I also forgot to order a third one of these O-rings, so we're going to see if we can salvage one of them. Yeah. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is get our O-rings and put them on the new bolt. It should be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to put the old O-ring on in the middle because I figure that way I at least have the good O-rings on the outer, more wearing areas. I don't know if that's the best call or not, but that's what we're going to do. Okay, so roll all those on. God damn it, I just put them on the wrong bolt. I am an idiot. Okay, bear with me while I unscrew up my mistake here. Okay. Let's grab the right bolt this time. As you can see, these look a little bit in different shape. Okay, O-ring goes on here. Old crappy O-ring goes on next. Last but not least. Okay. So this seemed to be greased on the other one, so I'm going to grab a little bit of grease and put it on this one. Assuming there still is some grease in here. That's probably plenty. Let's go ahead and stick this in here. Okay, that seems to be drawing it in. Now I have no idea what the torque spec is on this, but it's got to be a lot more than it was because it was just completely backed out. So now we're going to grab our pin, our keeper. He's going to be a little bastard to get in there, I can tell. Alright, got the cotter pin in. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for this project. It's short and simple. I don't have my whole brake lever just flopping around on me, so I will have to get out and do some more riding and see if the brake feels a little bit better. I'm sure it'll feel better because it won't be as mushy. The arm still seems like it might be a little bit bent here. I'm not sure, so jury's still out on that, but hey, at least my brake lever is secure. So anyway, I know this is a short one, but hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was useful. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.